you so much for your gift. Thank you so much. You don't know what this is going to be for me now. My friends on the crying. This means the world to me. Thank you so much for giving us that good music. Some of the stuff we don't even know the words to, but we'll never forget Waterfalls. We'll never forget it. So this is my version of it. Don't go chasing waterfalls. Please stick to the rivers and lakes that you used to. I know that you're gonna have me going, nothing at all. But I think you're moving too fast. Don't go chasing waterfalls. Please stick to the rivers and the lakes that you used to.